Sarash, welcome back. Agus fáilte go dtí an Fisho. Welcome to this video. We're going to look at how to say you had the crack of Gaelscoil. So something we say often in English and we say it in Irish as well. After this, first of all, if you would like to be able to add some Irish to your email, so work or personal, then you can grab the free PDF down below in the description. That's totally free and it's a really handy PDF you can have on your laptop or on your desk at work so that you can add some Irish to the beginning and end of your emails. Achar Island, on we go. So there was great crack of Gaeilge is the on crack on. The on crack on. So this on crack here is not the crack, but it's like great crack. The on crack on. There was great crack there. Pronunciation disclaimer, there are 3 different dialects of Irish and there's a standard Irish as well. So if you would like to hear this in any of the different dialects, because we do say words and phrases different across the dialects, then you can type it into aber.ie and you'll be able to hear it in each of the dialects. So the on crack on, there was great crack. The crack was brilliant. The on crack iontough. The on crack iontough. Now there's a H here because crack is feminine in Irish. So that means it'll take a H after on, which is the. So the on crack iontough. The crack was brilliant. The on crack iontough. Auxiliaries, you can type it into our.ie to hear it in different dialects. Oxen Kions are enough the last one we had gone. And I must say again, because I do speak Galway Irish, that they pronounce this like an, so we crack intochan, we crack intochan. But at least you can type it into our.ie and you could hear it in the different dialects. So we crack intochan, we had brilliant crack. Agus sinnig an Fisho, that's it for this video. Don't forget to download your freebie down below and Tosulam go on to Tanras. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and like it if you did. Agus fecime sagade kion elahu. I'll see you in the next one. Long fall. Bye for now.